This video will show you how to change your login passcode on PS5. So what we're going to want to do is be on the home page first, then we're going to see settings on top. Go ahead and click on settings. Then we're going to go to user and accounts. From user and accounts, we're going to simply go down to login settings. Then click right and we're going to go to change your PS5 login passcode. So that requires you to know your login passcode and then enter your new password. So then I'm going to just put that. And now you have changed your login passcode. So for example, when you restart it, it's going to ask you for that. I'm just going to demonstrate by going back. Once again, we're going to go to login settings, change your PS5 login passcode. So I just changed it to 6666 or sorry, right. And now it says enter the new passcode one more time. And then so I'm going to just go ahead and put down. Oh, see, that didn't work. So I have to go right. And now you have a new login passcode. Alright guys, I hope this video helps. If it does, please consider liking, commenting, or subscribing. See you next time. Bye-bye.